Pick up at 1:30. Chicago. Of course, it's always Chicago, so whether it was about, I was 20 miles away, 23, took 45 minutes to get there, of course. So, no wrecking ball. Only thing that was working on the road. Like, who works on the road at 12 o'clock in the afternoon, bro? But anyway, good thing I left early enough. Got there at 1. Had to wait a little bit, but it wasn't too bad. Had to walk around. Let's see, they probably called me at like 2:30. It's not too bad. Got out of there. Got dog ready to go. And right at 4 o'clock, traffic was terrible, of course, going back. Especially going towards I-94 east way, Indiana. Good thing I was going to toll road, of course, I-90, headed to Georgia. Don't have to be there till Friday morning, which is a good thing, so I might stick around in the hometown, not the hometown, but stick around in Louisville for the night, see the fam. Hopefully eat something good. And we eating a little healthy, so with the fam. Yeah, man. But other than that, I hope y'all have a great night. And take care of yourselves.